观众朋友们，大家好，这里是真理之光新闻资讯。国度降临了，新时代开始了，神回来了。这是全能神教会的音乐剧《万国敬拜实际神》传递给观众最令人振奋的佳音。1月27日，这部见证救主耶稣已经重归的音乐剧，在美国维吉尼亚基督教电影节展映，并一举揽得了最佳故事片、最佳编舞、最佳音乐片、最佳演员等6个最佳奖项。
这次神来做工，不是聆听，而是很普通的身体。
神所道成的肉身，为我们带来了真理与生命啊！
神真的回来了，我们还在等待什么？
万国敬拜实际神是迄今为止首部以见证主耶稣重返肉身、向人显现为主题的音乐剧。该剧为所有探寻人生归宿与苦盼主耶稣重归的人指明了道路。只有聪明童女才能从神的发声说话中认出主的声音，迎接到主的再来。当地时间1月27日下午，美国维吉尼亚的基督教电影节举行了2018年的首次颁奖典礼。电影节主办方 Richard 先生对音乐剧《万国敬拜实际神》如此评价
The film Every Nation Worships the Practical God. We thought that it was a wonderful film. There was great costumes, and we could see how much time was put into this film. All of the wonderful dancing and all of the wonderful singing, all of the backgrounds were wonderfully done. So it was a pleasure to screen it at the Christian Film Festival in January 2018, and we enjoyed watching your film. Thank you.
The main message of this musical drama is God has returned. The kingdom has descended. And the words appears in the flesh is the kingdom Bible. Because God is the spring of the living water. So God always does the new work and expresses the new words. So we need to follow him and follow his new step. God is ever new, never old.
Maybe Matthew 25:6, and it says, "Behold, the bridegroom comes. You go out to meet him." And every Christians, I believe, they are all longing for God's second coming, and all the time. In this music drama, and when they hear that God has come, God has returned, they are really surprised and excited. And just with curiosity and uncertainty, they are just step into the way to seeking God's new words.
传道人 Mark 先生观看音乐剧后表示
Well, I think I look at the message of the movie, and I think the message was very revealing as far as, there was some that seemed like they were confused or they did not, know whether, Jesus was coming back or there was a God. But, we realized that, Jesus is God is the creator of the heaven and earth, that he is going to return at some point. And so the message was very clear. And the way that they portrayed the message and everything, it was in an enlightening way to where it was very well choreographed and everything, and I enjoyed it. It was a fantastic message, fantastic production. He says all you have to do, he said he's there knocking, all you have to do is just open the door.
剧中演员表示，该剧的创作初衷就是让更多的人得知主耶稣已经重归的喜讯。
主耶稣说过：“我的羊听我的声音。”凡属神的羊，听到神的声音，都会归回到神的家中，接受神的拯救。这对人类来说，是一个天大的喜讯。也借着这部音乐剧，让那些苦盼救主耶稣重归的人，都能得着这些喜讯。
拍这部剧，对于我们演员来说吧，收获其实是挺大的。在这部剧当中，最让我感动的地方，就是在人等主重归的这件事上。 其实不是只有人在苦盼苦等，神也早已在地上寻找那些真心要神的人，神也来在地上发声说话，发表一切的真理，来洁净和拯救人。就是我作为一名基督徒，我也愿意将自己的全部力量都投入到传福音的工作当中去，能使更多的人都能来到神的面前，接受神的末世救恩。
音乐剧《万国敬拜实际神》自推出以来，已经4次在不同的国际电影节上获得嘉奖，吸引了更多关心人类命运与归宿的人观看。很多人纷纷表示将要寻求和考察全能神的末世做工。真理之光记者田新一，美国维吉尼亚现场报道。